Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel or welcome, and if you are watching me for the first time, I am Ishanita. I post videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, DIY and many more videos once in a week. So make sure to subscribe my channel to catch up on all the fun. In today's video, I am doing a bridesmaid makeup look which is so easy and minimal. Actually, I have a family wedding function और मैं तैयार होने ही वाली थी. तभी मुझे याद आया why not I do this entire makeup tutorial in front of a camera to share things with you people. So yes, I am here to share my makeup tutorial with you people. But yeah, I'm not a pro, so if I will do something wrong, please forgive me. Okay, let's not waste any more time. Start with the video. First thing is first, always prep your skin before makeup. I already prepare my skin with my all-time favorite rose water, Lakme aloe vera gel and Lakme moisturizer. Now I will do my makeup. First I will use Lakme Absolute 3D Cover Foundation SPF 30. I am in the shade Warm Cream and shade number is W120. Today I am going to apply it all over my face. This foundation is perfect for oily and combination skin, or if you are a dry skin people, then you can mix your moisturizer and foundation together and then you can apply. Here is my blending sponge. What I will do is I will spray a little bit of rose water so that it can blend my foundation really well. If you want, then you can use a foundation brush, but I prefer blending sponge more than a foundation brush. So I am done with my foundation. So now I will use K-Beauty Loose Setting Powder. I am in the shade Banana. I really love this K-Beauty setting powder because before this I used a Lakme aloe vera one, but to be very honest, K-Beauty setting powder is far better than the Lakme one. It really sets the foundation really well. Next step is eyebrow. So I will fill this corner. This is my eyebrow brush. This is Doe Color Duo eyebrow brush. This is basically my Revolution eyeshadow palette. मेरे पास अलग से brow palette नहीं है. This color. Just a little bit, I will. As you all know that I love to keep my makeup natural. और मैं कभी भी brow पर उतना भी ध्यान नहीं देती हूँ. Next part is eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow I will use again my Revolution palette because for the eye makeup I always prefer Revolution. So I have two Revolution palette. One is this one, another one is this one, and the last one is Wet n Wild. इसका हालत बहुत ही खराब है because I used this Wet n Wild one a lot of time. Take a blending brush like this and I will use 2 and this is 3. So first I will apply the lighter shade. Blend it properly. Now I will use a flat brush like this and I will use the darker shade, which is this one, to over my crease area. Now again I will blend my eyeshadow with this blending brush. Actually, Revolution eyeshadows are really pigmented. Now the shimmer one. So for the shimmer one, I will use my fingers because I think my fingers are better than blending brushes. No, I'm just kidding, you know. Now it's time for under eye. So for the under eye, I will use exactly the same color I used here. Okay, I am using again this flat brush and the lighter shade I used first. Just a little bit I will use. So my shadow is done. Now I will use my liner. So for the liner, I have Lakme Instant Liner Water Resistant. I'm so clumsy, you know, so my hands are shaking. Arey yaar. Now I will curl my eyelash with this eyelash curler. If you all are thinking कि ये लड़की सिर्फ Lakme क्यों करती है? If you guys watch my previous videos like skincare and makeup related, then you all know कि I'm a big fan of brand Lakme, and the main thing is my skin is super sensitive. I mean so sensitive, and that's why I have no guts to switch any of my products, but still I switched few of my products, and in future I think more I will. So yeah. Now it's time for mascara. So for mascara, I have Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. It gives you a nice volume. So yes, I'm done with my eye makeup. Now it's time for a blush. So for my blush, I have K Beauty blush. Shade name is Sugar Candy. ये मेरा इकलौता brush है. So this is the color, a beautiful peach color. So I'm taking a little bit. I think this much is enough, no? Now next step is for lipstick. I have a Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. Shade name is Red Vibe and shade number is 19. This is a beautiful red color. I really love this one. Okay, so last step is highlighter. I don't have highlighter. I will use my shimmer eyeshadow. As I told earlier कि मैं eyeshadow को ही multi-purpose use कर. I am using this brush. So for the highlighter, I am using this color. Okay. So yes, my makeup is done. I will be back. So this is my whole look. I recently bought it from New Market. If you guys didn't watch my previous video, then please go and watch that video. I will leave the link down in the description box as well as in the I button so that you can check anytime. Please let me know in the comment section आप लोगों को मेरा ये minimal price point makeup look कैसा लगा, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Bye.